Today we are not going to do a unboxing video. Today we are going to go out and have fun. We are going to go to the path of the Dolmen of Merilles. It's a hiking route and it's going to be awesome. Hope you enjoy it. We are ready in the car and we are going to start the adventure, and off we go. Hope you enjoy it. Bye bye. What we are about to see is the Dolmen of Merilles. A dolmen is a megalithic tomb consisting of two or more vertical megaliths supporting a large horizontal capstone. The one in Merilles is dated between 3000 to 4000 BC, that is the end of Neolithic and the start of the age of copper. It is believed to have been used as a burial chamber, but no human remains have ever been found there. Now, the dolmen is located in the Colina de las Cabañas, that is Huts'hill, and from its location we can see incredible landscapes including the Narcea Valley and the Tineo Mountain Range. We're going to show you some footage of that area and we hope you enjoy it as much as we did. This is Merilles, where the route commences. I'm going to show you around so you can have a look at this beautiful place, Merilles. Behind is the church, the local church in the village where we're going to start the route. We just parked the car right now, and very soon we will have a very quick lunch and we will start the journey to see those dolmens, the delicious dolmens. Delicious, well, I wouldn't call them delicious, but they're quite nice to see. Okay guys, I hope you can hear my voice with the wind, but it's just to let you know, to show you the route we are going to follow. There is like a road going down there. We are just leaving the car, and let's see if I can show you. Yeah, there it is. That's the road we're going to follow. That's the place, and we are going to go up the mountain and see that dolmen. And once we are there, I'm hoping I can show you a few good shots of that dolmen, which is so special. So let's continue the journey. Guys, you are not going to believe this. I was walking uphill and I was like surprised. Where is my wife and my son? They were a little bit ahead of me, but not that much. Well, it so happens that after going all uphill, and I've been going for like half an hour easily, I find out that I got the wrong path. So I have to go downhill again and see if I can find the arrow at which everything started to go downhill. Okay guys, finally I'm joined with my family. We just finished in the Nagring. Okay guys, I'm not going to show you my face all the time, so I'm going to show you. We are 34 minutes by foot from the place where we are supposed to be, for the dolmen, and this is the view you get that far actually. And I'm fascinated by how beautiful Tineo is. Tineo is the region where we are right now, by the way. It's unbelievable. So look at the view behind me. We are close to the dolmen. We may have to walk around 15 to 20 minutes longer, but we are very, very close. He's looking at me suspiciously, I think. I'm going to stop there. That's so beautiful. It's quite foggy over there. Hello, little horse. We're not so little. You are beautiful, gorgeous. Okay guys, we just arrived. One of the things that surprised me of the dolmen is how little it is. I was expecting something monumental, a big, massive. No, it's quite small. I'm going to show you around, then set up the drone, because after carrying the drone the whole journey uphill, crikey, I better get used to it. Right, let's keep checking stuff, and I'm going to show you around the drone and what we can see around us. Guys, the fog is coming down, it's catching up with us, so we better keep going. We will hurry up, we don't want to get lost in the middle of nowhere. So off we go. Okay guys, we are about to finish the journey. We are back to the place where we started. We're going to grab the car and then go back home. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy the content. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It will help me a lot and it will encourage me to do many more videos. And as always, if you have any suggestion, any idea or anything that you would like me to cover, please do not hesitate to add it in the comments section. So I hope to see you again and have a great day. Bye bye.